Namaskaram to all of you. Friends, in today's video, we will talk about how, in the present times, in the Kaliyuga, you can make the right and complete use of Brahma Muhurta. Because more than half the people, even if they wake up during Brahma Muhurta, do not use it properly, since there is a belief or a misconception, you can say, that this time is meant only for prayers or maybe chanting mantras or spiritual practices. But whether you are a student, a musician, an artist, young or old, how you can take advantage of Brahma Muhurat, and also that one miraculous and powerful fact about it which most people are unaware of, I'll share with you in this video. But before that, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, because the purpose of creating this channel is to share with you this kind of knowledge, such knowledge which is very rare in the present times and can be only received through the grace or command of a guru or Mahakal himself. Now friends, I humbly request you, please do not address me as guru. Yesterday a lady sent me an email regarding my video she saw on the Om Namah Shivaya Mantra Siddhi to ask and analyze a few things. I replied to her, I cleared her doubts. But just like I told her, I want to tell this to you as well, please do not call me Guru, because the word Guru has its own deep significance. Everyone meets their Guru at a destined time and only by fortune. And what's the real meaning and the significance of word Guru? I'll try to soon bring a video on that for you. And if you wish to watch the Om Namah Shivaya Mantra Siddhi video, you can find it find the link of it in the description box, and also you can press the I button. Now friends, let us begin. If you have come to this video after searching for Brahma Muhurat, I assume you already know what Brahma Muhurat is and when it occurs. Still, for a few of you who do not know, Brahma Muhurat is the time between 3:40 am and sunrise, which is considered the most auspicious time of the day. Now friends, there is a belief that Brahma Muhurat is best for yoga practices, for meditation, for mantra chanting, study, remembrance and spiritual practices, which is true, right? But my Gurudev once explained this to me, that in Kaliyuga, in the present times, you cannot expect a student, a college going youngster, or even a householder man or a woman to sit quietly in mantra chanting. Yes, some people do have an interest in it, but for the majority, the interest is less right now, maybe because of the circumstances or because of the responsibilities they have. So if you are a student or studying any subject, if you are into music, dance, arts or sports, then how you can make proper use of this time, that I'll share with you in this video. And towards the end of the video, I'll also tell you what you should do if you sleep late at night, or maybe you work in some MNC or PPO. Now first, let's start with the discipline. Number 1, you need to wake up before the Brahma Muhurat. Brush your teeth, take a bath and get ready. If you add half a spoon of white salt to your bathing water, it is considered extremely auspicious, as it removes the negative energy of the previous day. Number 2, if you are a student or studying any subject, make it a habit to study at this time of the day, especially those subjects which you find difficult. For example, many students struggle with mathematics, some with science. So what will happen? You will get great results if you study it. And also, if you can make note of it, write it and practice it during this time, it will give you amazing results. Point number 3. Now, if you are a musician or connected with art, do your practice, riyaz for the musicians at this time. Now, singers, especially singers, should practice the kharaj, which is also known as the lower notes. Dancers should rehearse their steps. And since it is early in the morning, ensure that you are using a Bluetooth earphones or speaker, Bluetooth, so that it doesn't disturb anyone nearby or in your family. Point number 4, If you are into sports, go outside at this time and practice your game. You must have seen in films that the heroines usually begin their day with exercising, jogging, or workouts in the morning, a good background track playing in the background. So it holds its own significance and relevance. So go out and try to do it during this time of the day. Now, point number 5, which we all know: if you are into yoga, meditation, mantra chanting, study, remembrance, or spiritual practices, then use this time for worshipping, meditation, or chanting your chosen mantra. Friends, you must have heard that days like Purnima, Amavasya, Shivratri, and Nag Panchami are considered very important, auspicious. It is believed that worship done on such days give very auspicious results. In the same way, Brahma Muhurta is also that kind of a special time. If you use it daily in the right way, you can progress it in whichever field you are in. And the good thing, the advantage with Brahma Muhurta is that unlike the days that I talked above, Purnima, Amavasya, Shivratri, it doesn't come once in a quarter or once in 6 months or once a year. You have the advantage of utilizing and practicing your skills every single day. Now, friends, in the present times, in Kaliyuga, with so many kinds of jobs, businesses, and distractions, especially, going to sleep at 9 pm, 10 pm, and then waking up at Brahma Muhurta is practically not possible for everyone. So this miraculous and powerful solution is especially for those of you who work in BPOs and MNCs, who come home at 2-3 am, or who for any reason sleep late. Now, if you are among them, then friends, you can still follow this method on a regular basis. It will give you amazing, incredible results. Now, friends, if you sleep late at night for any reason, then try to stay awake from Brahma Muhurat until about 15 minutes after sunrise. If you sleep at 2-3 am, then instead of sleeping immediately, stay awake for 2 more hours. Won't make much of a difference. Take a salt water bath, cleanse yourself, and then use this time for whichever subject or interest you have. Once the sun rises, stay awake for another 15-20 minutes and then go back to sleep. Now, this process will work more like a cheat code, and you will start seeing positive results. Whether you are a student, an artist, or into meditation and study, try this sincerely for just 21 days in the beginning, and you will start to notice the difference yourself. And lastly, if you found this knowledge and my effort useful, then do subscribe to the channel and like the video. May Mahakal shower his grace upon you. Thank you.